In last lecture, we have discussed March 2019 Sundar and Smile Limited sum. Okay. Then after second sum is Sneh Sagar Limited. So we are discussing that sum. Okay. So in Sneh Sagar Limited, additional information provided is depreciation written off on land and building, machinery 13,000, patents 5,000 and furniture 1,500. Okay, it is adjustment for depreciation. Okay, so we know that where its effect will go. Okay, P&L adjustment account will be debited. Okay, and if we have prepared fixed asset account, then it will have credit effect. Okay, then after, during the year, machinery of rupees 20,000 sold for rupees 15,000. Please check that this transaction is on loss on sale of fixed asset. Okay, machinery of rupees 20,000 sold for rupees 15,000 means 5,000 rupees are lost. Okay, so then journal entry will be cash or bank account debit 15,000, loss on sale of fixed asset account 5,000 to machinery account. Okay, so that effect will be there. Okay. Then after, during the year, taxation and dividend were paid rupees 10,000 and 20,000. Okay, so for dividend there is no requirement of preparing any ledger. Okay, but for taxation we have to prepare provision for taxation ledger, because provision for taxation account is given in liability side balance sheet. Okay, so we have prepared here statement showing changes in working capital first of all. Then after, land and building account. Okay, machinery account. Okay, two fixed asset accounts are prepared. From your point of view, question will be, sir, you have prepared only land and building account and machinery account, but in case of patent and furniture, there is also in adjustment information is provided. Okay, from your point of view this question will be raised, but I want to tell you, I want to answer you that patent of rupees 50,000 in 2017, please check that. In 2018 it is rupees 45,000, and please check it in additional information first point, patent of rupees 5,000 which have depreciation. Okay, so from 50,000 after deducting depreciation it is rupees 45,000. So it is very clear information is provided, so no requirement of preparing ledger in case of patents. Then after furniture, if you check that 15,000 amount is provided in 2017 and 13,500 in 2018, difference of rupees 1,500 which is given in adjustment, that depreciation on furniture is rupees 1,500. So we are not preparing that account also. And for goodwill, we will write it off. Okay, goodwill return off effect will be given on P&L adjustment account debit side. Okay, so there is no requirement of preparing any other accounts. Okay, so I have prepared only land and building account, machinery account, provision for tax account. Then after, P&L adjustment and fund flow statement. Okay, so we are starting with our adjustments. Okay, first of all, depreciation written off in land and building, so journal entry will be depreciation account debit to fixed asset account. By depreciation, land and building 9,000, and in case of machinery it is rupees 13,000. Okay, second effect will be on debit side of P&L adjustment account to depreciation. Land and building rupees 9,000. Then after, machinery rupees 13,000. Then after, patents rupees 5,000. Okay, then after, furniture rupees 1500. Okay, then after during the year machinery of rupees 20,000 sold for rupees 15,000. Then general entry will be cash or bank account debit 15,000, loss on sale of fixed asset rupees 5,000 to machinery account. Okay, so effect will be on credit side of machinery, cash or bank 15,000, by loss on sale 5,000. Effect of loss will be on debit side of P&L adjustment account to loss on sale of machinery 5,000. And another effect of rupees 15,000 received will be given on sources of fund side, because when we are selling our fixed assets we will receive some amount, and when we are receiving some amount then effect will be in fund flow in sources of fund side. Okay, so sale of machinery 15,000. Okay, then after during the year taxation of rupees 10,000. Okay, so journal entry will be provision for tax account debit to cash or bank account. So here to cash or bank account 10,000 rupees. And when we are making payment for tax, effect will be on application of fund side in fund flow statement. Okay, payment of tax, how much amount? Rupees 10,000. Okay, then after we have given dividend. So please students check that is there any amount in balance sheet. If we check balance sheet, there is no information for dividend, so only information is given in adjustment. And when dividend given in only in adjustment, then effect will be on debit side of P&L adjustment account, and second effect of payment will be given on application of fund side. Okay, so here effect will be given to dividend, how much amount? 20,000. Okay, and payment of dividend on application of fund side. Dividend. Okay, how much amount? 20,000. Okay, then after we are preparing our statement showing changes in working capital. So working capital means current asset minus current liabilities. So here current asset will be, effect will be given. So please check on the asset side of the balance sheet, goodwill, land and building, machineries, patent, furniture. These all are fixed assets or assets which are not current assets. Okay, so we have to consider current assets. Debtors, it's current asset. Okay, cash and bank and stock. These three assets are only current asset. So effect will be given for that. Okay, debtors. Then after cash and bank, then after stock. Okay, debtors 45,000. Then after 70,000 in 2018. So there is increase of rupees 25,000. We will write it down in the column of increase. Okay, then after cash and bank 5,800 and 7,000. So there is increase of rupees 1,200. Okay, then after stock 50,000 and 96,000, means there is increase of rupees 46,000. Okay, so then after we will make total of that, total current asset A. Okay, then after current liabilities
टोटल कर दो भाई।
$45,000,
1,08,000,
5,800 and 50,000. 1,08,000. Then after 70,000 plus 7,000. Then after 96,000. 1,73,000. Okay. In liability side, equity share capital, then share premium, general reserve, P&L account, debentures. Okay, these all are not current liabilities. Okay, then after we check creditors. Yes, creditors are current liability. And then after provision for tax. So in current liability only creditors will given effect here. Okay, creditors 30,000 and 40,000. There is increase in creditors, but it will have given an effect on decrease, because opposite effect is given. Total current liabilities B, 30,000 and 40,000. Okay, so net working capital will be A minus B.
70,800,
70,800,
1,33,000,
1,33,000. There is increase of rupees 62,200. Okay, increase in working capital. And increase in working capital will give an effect on application of fund side in fund flow statement. Okay. Okay, so we have completed our statement showing changes in working capital. So then after we have already completed our adjustments. So only pending thing is that we have to make analysis of balance sheet. So first of all we are starting from liability side. Equity share capital rupees 2 lakh, and in next year it is rupees 2,50,000, means new equity shares are issued. Then after share premium 10,000 rupees and 15,000, means there is 5,000 increase of share premium. So it is associated with issue of equity share capital. So when there is increase in equity share capital rupees 50,000, means company is receiving rupees 50,000 for equity share capital, and for share premium it is receiving rupees 5,000. So total rupees 55,000 is received by the company, and when company receives money, then effect will be given on sources of fund side. Issue of equity share capital. Okay, 55,000. 50,000 plus 5,000 premium. Okay, then after general reserve 35,000, and in next year it is rupees 40,000. Then we have provided for general reserve of rupees 5,000. So effect will be given on P&L adjustment side and debit side. Okay, so to general reserve rupees 5,000. Journal entry will be P&L adjustment account debit to general reserve. Okay, then after P&L account already